the fine details in the factory.
Both in structure and also scientifically, leaves exhibit very detailed, complex systems specially created to ensure high-level production. In order to produce energy, the plant has to obtain heat and carbon dioxide from the outside world. All the structures in leaves have been arranged in such a way as to obtain these two elements without. Leaves have broad external surfaces. The exchange of gases needed for photosynthesis to take place with ease. The leaf's flat means that all its cells are close to the surface. This, in turn, means that the exchange of gases is facilitated and that solar rays can reach all engaged in photosynthesis. If a structure, leaves came in any geometric shape or less in form, then photosynthesis is in those regions in direct with the sun. Plants would be able to produce sufficient energy and oxygen. One of the major consequences of this would be a lack of energy on Earth. And the corruption in leaves is by no means restricted. Leaf tissues are also highly sensitive to light. Leaf always turns to face the light. The way always from which solar rays can easily be observed. Leaves are advanced nuclear energy production facilities that are factories that produce nutrients and yet are laboratories in which chemical reactions take place. The greater the surface of the leaf, the greater its ability to work. For example, tend to grow in rainforests. Very important reasons for this. It is very difficult for sunlight to reach everywhere in equal quantity in tropical rainforests. This makes a greater leaf surface area in order to trap that light. In these areas where sunlight gets very little, vitally important, very large if plants are to produce nutrients. By way of this feature, tropical plants need sunlight from various angles as to make the greatest use of it. In contrast, dry plants have small leaves. That is because, under such climatic disadvantage, water loss, and as the area increases, so does erosion, and thus water loss. For that reason, the light trap surface has been created in such a way as to best conserve water. Highest level in desert environments. Cacti. Photosynthesis is carried out in the fleshy body. The trunk is also where water is stored. However, this itself is not enough to control loss. No matter how small leaves may be, water will still continue to be lost through its pores. A mechanism to balance evaporation is essential. Plants possess of regulating excess evaporation, which they do by controlling the temperatures of their pores, expanding or contracting them. Trapping light necessarily only function by leaves. The way they also trap carbon dioxide in the air, transmit this to where photosynthesis is made, equally. Plants perform by means of the pores of the leaves.